Okay. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Indonesian Today's News, bringing you inspiration and up-to-date stories from around the nation.
That's right. I'm Salman and with me is Rayhan Asfar Rusdi. Today we have an exciting story that will make every Indonesian proud. A young racer making history on the world stage.
Okay, indeed, from the racing tracks of Barcelona, Spain, comes the name Muhammad Diandra Ramadhipa, a young Indonesian rider who has just claimed a stunning victory in the FIM Junior GP World Champions 2025.
His achievement marked another milestone for Indonesian motorsport, proving that determination and talent can take you far, even to the international podium.
Okay, main story. Last weekend, Ramadhipa crossed the finish line in the first place, leaving behind competitors from Spain, Italy, and Japan. It was a thrilling race that kept audience on the edge of their seats.
But what makes this victory even more special is not about the speed. It's the composure, consistency, and race strategy he showed throughout the competition.
Chairman of the Indonesian Motor Association, the name Bambang Susatyo, praised the victory as a positive signal for Indonesia's growing potential in international racing.
He emphasized that with proper support and training, Indonesian racer can absolutely stand shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world.
That's so true. Indonesia has no shortage of talented riders, but the biggest challenge often lies in access to facilities, professional training, and international exports.
Exactly, competing in European circuits requires strong backing, financially and technically. That's why this achievement means so much. It shows what's possible when talents meet opportunity.
For those who don't know, Ramadhipa began racing at the age of 9 years. He competed in mini GP even across Asia, being scored by a European racing team.
And according to his Spanish coach, Ramadhipa has what they call a champion's mindset. Highly disciplined, focused, and never easily satisfied.
That's the kind of attitude every young athlete should look up to. Winning at this level doesn't come from luck. It's the result of years of practice, perseverance.
Exactly. His victory is not just a personal success, but a victory for all Indonesians, showing that our athletes can compete and win on the global stage.
Let's discuss. Okay. So now, beyond the celebrations, let's talk about what this means for Indonesian racing's future.
This win sends a powerful message that Indonesia's young generation has the skill, passion, and discipline to make it international.
It also highlights how vital it is for the government and private sectors to invest in athlete development, not only in mainstream sports like football, but in motorsports as well.
Right, because achievements like this don't just raise national pride, they can also attract sponsor, investor, and global attention to Indonesian sport industry.
And let's not forget the inspiration it gives to kids watching at home. Seeing someone from their own country standing on the world podium can truly spark dreams.
Yes, and that's how new generations of champions are born. Through inspiration, opportunity, and hard work.
Okay, so speaking of international achievement, did you know Indonesia is now making waves in a new sport? It's a called paddle, a mix of tennis and squash that's booming worldwide.
That's right. The Indonesian Paddle Association recently announced that our national team achieved remarkable results and an international tournament, a proud moment for a sport that's still growing in our country.
According to PB Battle Paddle Indonesia, this success proves how quickly Indonesian athletes can adapt to a new challenge and excel in emerging global sports.
It's not just about writing maths, it's about building a foundation for the future. PBPI is now committed to expanding facilities and training programs across Indonesia.
That means more young people will soon get the chance to try paddle. Who knows, maybe the next world champions could come from here.
It's another example of Indonesians breaking barriers and showing that our sports culture is as diverse as our nation itself.
Okay, so from race tracks and paddle court to UNI scope forums and industry milestones, Indonesia continues to prove that we can achieve greatness across a very wide.
Each story reminds us of what's possible when dedication meets opportunity and when the nation believes in its people.
So, congratulations to Muhammad Kiandra Ramadima, our paddle athletes, BRIN, and everyone contributing to Indonesia's bright future.
May these achievements inspire us all to dream bigger, work harder, and keep believing in the power of Indonesia's potential.
Okay, that's all for today. Edition Indonesian Today's News. I'm Rayhan Asfarusdi.
And I'm Salman. Thank you for watching. Stay proud, stay positive, and keep shining for Indonesia. And we apologize if we have many mistakes. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.